Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about typography. Typography is a very basic concept but extremely useful, and we will be using it over and over again. It is basically fonts, font size, and the font color. We won't be talking about it a lot because the font size, font color, all lands beneath the CSS category. And right now we're learning about HTML. We will be learning about CSS in the following days after the HTML series is finished. The first thing we need to know about typography is the headings. The headings are the titles or subtitles or topics or subtopics that you want displayed on a web page, on your web page. Headings are used by search engines to index the structure of your web page, to index the content of your web page. Headings are always on a new line. There are 6 tags for headings. Let's first open Visual Studio Code. The tags for heading is H1. This is heading number 1 and is the biggest heading in all tags. Let's write this is a heading. And let's copy this and paste it like 5 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a quick shortcut to select and change words. So let's, for example, I clicked on H1, right? So I'm going to be clicking, I'm going to be pressing Control and D. It selects all the other H1s. Then I'm going to be clicking, pressing Control D again, and it selects the starting tag for a certain H1 and the ending tag for the H1 where the cursor was. Notice that we have 2 cursors now. So I'm going to do backspace H2. As I have 2 cursors, I just press the down arrow and write H3. Oops. H3. One second. Let's press Control D, Control D. 1 second. H4, 5, 6. Let's turn the live server on. Look, wait, let me just make this easier for you guys to see. Now look, this is the heading number 1, the biggest heading. Heading number 2, this is the biggest heading, and all these are the subheadings. Heading number 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's now go towards the paragraph tag, which is the paragraph is always on a new line, like the headings tag. The web browsers automatically add a margin, which is basically a space between two different contents. The tag is this P, and this is the closing tag. Another good thing about Visual Studio Code is that it has an Emmet abbreviation of sample paragraph. which is lorem, and I'm at abbreviation, click enter, and this is basically just random words and symbols, random letters, sorry. And just let's make another paragraph. Lorem, this space between these two lorem ipsums is called the margin, which is basically a white space. However, there is a problem with the paragraphing system. It's when you write a poem. The poem is not displayed in a way in the structure of a poem. Let me just show you. For example, if I write the first 4 lines of The River, which was taken from the Water Babies, written by Charles Kingsley. So I'd be writing clear and cool, clear and cool, by laughing, shallow and dreaming cool. Cool and clear, cool and clear. By shining, shingle and foaming there. Now here I wrote it in the structure of a poem, but over here it's in a one line. So in one line, it's in a sentence. The solution for this, to make it displayed as a poem, is the PRE tag. And look, it is now displayed as the structure of the poem. It's the actual structure of the poem. Next, we're going to be talking about one tags. One tag. Let me just show you. The first one is the BR tag. BR tag is basically when you want an extra space. It is line break but without a line. Let's make a line break. Let's do the BR tag between the first 2 paragraphs. Look, an extra break, an extra space has been added. Then there's also the HR tag, which is horizontal rule. It is like the BR tag, but it is with a line. Like there's this line, there's an extra space that's added, but with a line. Okay, I hope all of you understood, and thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.